Guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? All right. Yes, very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right, so let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. Right. So guys, yesterday we have started discussing about polymorphism, and I told you like what is actually polymorphism. Polymorphism means it is a process of performing various tasks with the same identity. I already told you that. And yes, there are actually two types of polymorphisms are there. First one is compile time polymorphism, which is also known as method overloading, and second one is the runtime polymorphism, which is also known as method overriding. Now yesterday we have discussed about method overloading. Yes, tell me, what do you mean by method overloading? Which word you need to start? Writing. Exactly, writing two or more methods in the listen guys, listen, writing two or more methods in the same class, same class. Once again, writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name but different parameters. Method name should be same, parameters must be different. And I mean, you can write minimum two methods or more than two methods. And kindly please do remember, you need to write them in the same class. So writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name but different parameters, that is actually known as method overloading. And guys, I already told you, any method can be overloaded. Any method. Private method, protected method, static method, final method, main method, constructor. Even if a method is having different return types, that does not matter. Any method can be overloaded. Any method. Okay. So yes, those are the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. Now, Rathod, overload. Don't change the statement. This is where confusion happens. Okay, so please, even in sleep also, you should not doing the mistakes if you got a question on method overloading and overriding, guys. Okay, kindly please do remember that particular point. Okay, now method overriding, METHOD, method over RIDDING, method overriding. Now let us try to have an idea about what is actually this method overriding. Now just a minute, let me just make it like this. Okay, now guys, please listen to me. Writing two or more methods in two different classes. Writing two or more methods. Right now we are discussing about method overriding. Okay, writing two or more methods in two different classes. Okay, just let me try to write like this. Two different classes having same method name, same parameters, and same return type. That is actually method overriding. Once again, what do you mean by method overriding? Writing two or more methods in two different classes having same method name. Method name should be same. parameters should be same, return type also should be same. Now answer my question, guys. Please answer my question. What is the main difference in method overloading and method overriding? What is the main difference in method overloading and method overriding? Can you tell me? Guys, the first difference is method overloading occurs in the same class. Am I right or wrong? Please tell me. The first difference is method overloading occurs in the same class. But when you're speaking about method overriding, guys, method overriding occurs in two different classes. Kindly please do remember this. Okay, method overloading occurs in the same class. Method overriding occurs in two different classes. Means without using inheritance, I repeat, without using inheritance, you cannot override a method. Let us try to write a small program on this. Are you ready, guys? Okay, that is great. Okay, I'm having class A and class B. Okay. Now I want to achieve method overriding. Okay, let me try to take a method void method1 like this. System.out.println. I am writing class A method. Okay, class A method. All right. Now, guys, I want to perform overriding. Method overriding. It is also known as runtime polymorphism. Okay. Now, if I want to perform method overriding, pretty much damn sure how many classes should be involved? How many classes should be involved? Two classes. And guys, please do remember this key point. Please, without using inheritance, we cannot achieve method overriding. Sorry. Yes. Just let me try to write like a small point. Without using inheritance, we cannot achieve method overriding. I hope it's clear, guys. Is it clear for everyone? Without using inheritance, we cannot achieve method overriding. Okay. All right. So guys, come on. I want to perform method overriding. Tell me first what I need to write. I want to perform method overriding for this method. What do you mean by method overriding? Same method name. Okay. Same method name. Same parameters. Yes. Same parameters and same return type. Okay. Void. Same return type. Open braces and close braces. And here simply I am writing system.out.println class B method. Now, guys, did you observe the code here? For method 1, which is present in class A, you are having one implementation. For method 1, which is present in class A, you are having one implementation. For method 1, which is present in class B, we have changed the implementation of method 1. Am I right or wrong? To be precise, we have overridden the implementation of method 1. Sir, what do you mean by overriding? Guys, overriding means you are changing the implementation of a particular method. Are you understanding me, guys? Method name is same. Method name is same. Same method name, same parameters, same return type. Same return type. Now, for example, just let me try to make it like int a. I'm trying to write it like int a. Now, is this method overriding? No way. This is not method overriding. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Guys, now please observe here. Let me go to my main method. Let me go to my main method. Now, inside my main method, I'm trying to, guys, what is the second point in inheritance? Can you please give me the code for second point in inheritance? Second point. Second point in inheritance. It's okay. Take time. You can refer. No problem. Second point. Okay. I need complete point. Datta, complete point. Complete point, please. Okay. Right. So second point is we can hold child class object with parent class reference. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please respond in the chat for me. Am I right or wrong? Yes, that is very good. Now, with the help of this reference, which class methods we can call? Answer my question. Which class methods we can call? Sir, we can call only parent class methods, sir. Yeah, that is very good. That is very good. AOBJ dot method 1. Am I right or wrong, guys? Are you observing here? We are calling method 1, which is present in class A. Right? Okay. Now, let me execute my program. By the way, what is your expected output? What is your expected output? Your expected output is class A method. Right click, run as Java application. What is our output, guys? What is the output we got? Class B method. Are we calling class B method? No. No, we are not calling class B method. We are calling class A method only. But as we are performing method overriding, instead of executing class A method, class B method will be getting executed. This is method overriding. This is exactly method overriding. You are trying to call parent class method. You are trying to call parent class method, but which class method is getting executed? Which class method is getting executed? Child class. Exactly. Okay, guys. For example, I will be trying to write int A like this. Now, if I execute my program, what is my output? If I execute my program right now, what is my output? Am I going to get my class A method or class B method output? Right. You are saying that I'll be getting class A method. Right click, run as Java application. Of course, I'll be getting class A method. Why? Why? Because I did not perform method overriding here. I did not perform method overriding. Are you understanding me, guys? What do you mean by method overriding? What do you mean by method overriding? Writing two or more methods in two different classes having same method name, same parameter. Okay, this is parameter is changed. Parameter is changed. So, nope. Now, how about now? Now it is having same method name, same parameters, and same return type. So right now, if I'm trying to execute my program, instead of class A method, I'll be getting class B method. Guys, up to now, is it clear for everyone? Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Please respond in the chat for me. That is literally very good, guys. Fantastic. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. Point number two. Point number two. If we can't inherit a method, we can't override that method. Did you understand this point? Did you understand this point? If we can't inherit a method, we can't override that method. For example, let me make my class A method as private. You know that private methods I cannot access in other classes. Am I right or wrong, guys? Yes? Now, please observe here. Please observe here. In class B, am I getting an error? Yes or no? If we can't inherit a method, we can't override that method. I hope you guys are understanding me, guys. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Okay, okay. For example, let me make this method as default method. And sir, okay, right now we are performing method overriding and we are able to get class B method. Okay, but I want to get my class A method executed. Any ideas? I want to get my, no, I want to see this output. I want to see this output. Any ideas? From the main method, from the main method. Okay, guys, what is the first point? First point in inheritance. New class A equal to AOBJ2 belongs to class A. Now AOBJ2 dot method 1. Right click, run as Java application. Now did you understand the difference between first point and second point in inheritance? Now did you understand the difference between first point and second point in inheritance? Guys, please respond. Please respond. Exactly. Okay. I already told you guys, those, whatever the key points which I told you in inheritance, those points literally rule the OOPS concepts. Am I clear with this, guys? I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right? Okay. Now, for example, guys, answer me question. Please answer my question. Line number 12 executes which method? I mean, the method present in class A or class B? Line number 12 executes which method? The method present in class B. Very good. Line number 15 executes which method? The method present in class A or class B? Class A. Very good. Very, very good. Now, guys, please concentrate. Guys, this is very, very important, Anna. Very important, Ra. Very, very important. Please concentrate. My question is very, very simple. We are having AOBJ1 and AOBJ2. Okay. Now, my question is AOBJ1 is referring to which object? AOBJ1 is referring to which object? Referring to, guys, this is not referring, okay? This is belongs to class A, but I'm asking AOBJ1 is pointed towards which object? Class B object. So which method is getting invoked? Which method is getting invoked? Method present in class B. This AOBJ2 is referring to which object? Class A object. So whenever you are calling method 1, which method will be getting executed? Method present in class A will be getting executed. Are you understanding me, guys? Are you understanding me? The method present in parent class is known as overridden method. The method present in child class is known as overriding method. This is overridden method and this is overriding method. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right. Do me a favor. Please keep your side heading as method overriding. Please keep your side heading as method overriding. And I want you to please write the definition of this method overriding. First one. Please write this definition. Please write this definition. If possible, try to write it by your own. Okay, guys, completed? Completed? Right. Now, again, Suresh, the method which is present in class A is known as overridden method. Overridden. Class A is overridden. Class A is overridden. Class B is overriding method. Okay. Right. Now, guys, do me a favor. I want you to please write these 2 points. Can you do that for me? These 2 points. Please. Write them in your notes right now. Whenever you're writing, read them and write. Guys, this point, please read it correctly. This point, please read it correctly. Please read it correctly. Slowly read it. Slowly read it. Slowly. Okay, guys, is it completed? Is it completed? Yes. Right. Guys, generally method overriding, when you're speaking about method overriding, whenever we are running our program only, whenever we are running our program only, at that time only these objects are created. Am I right or wrong? Whenever we are running only, these objects are created. So runtime only it will be decided which method should be called. That is the only reason it is known as runtime polymorphism. Okay, now please have this program for me, class A. Please have this program, class A. Mukesh, asking, can we override a method only once? You mean like in the same class or else in different class, Mukesh? In different class, you can go ahead, no issues. Now, Asma, which version of that method means whether that method one is present in class A or class B? Okay. For example, you are calling here method one. Which version of method will be getting executed? Class A method or class B method? Here in line number 12. Which method will be getting executed? Class B method will be getting executed. That is it. Yes. Please. Mukesh, yeah, you can override in another child class, no problem. That is actually done with hierarchical inheritance, right, Mukesh? For example, if you are having class C, if you want to override method one which is present in class A, yeah, you can override, no problem. It will not be having any impact. Okay, buddy? No, not multi-level, hierarchical. Class A will be inherited in class B and class A will be inherited in class C also, right? Please don't get confused. Guys, please inform if it is completed. Please inform me if it is completed. We'll be going with some important key points which we need to discuss. Inform if completed. Right, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute. Right. Right. I hope it's completed, guys, for everyone. Yeah, Ganesh, if we are trying to provide method overriding for a class which is present in another package, obviously we need to use import statement. Am I right or wrong, guys? Right. Okay, guys. Okay. I hope it's complete for everyone. I'm removing this. Removing. Right. Just let me try to save it. Okay. Now, class A and class B. Okay. Now, guys, just like overloading, in overloading, we have seen some important points, key points. Likewise, we will try to see some key points in method overriding. Okay. Now, guys, kindly please do remember, whenever you are writing a program on method overriding, means if the interviewer asks you, please try to write, please try to implement a program on method overriding. Remember, you need to use the second point in inheritance. Means new class B, hold it with parent class reference, and please call parent class method. You should call parent class method, but child class method should be executed. I hope it's clear, guys. Is it clear for everyone? Yes, that is very good. Now, guys, please check this. Okay, method overriding means same method name, same parameters, same return type. Okay, but two different classes. Right. So I already told you, without using inheritance, we cannot perform method overriding. And if we can't inherit a method, we cannot override that method. I already told 2 points here. 2 points. Now, Now, for example, guys, right now, I want to make my overridden method. What is this method, guys? Is it overridden or overriding method? Overridden or overriding method? Please tell me. Please tell me. Yes, this is RIDDEN. Overridden method. RI. Okay. Overridden method. Sorry. Yes, overridden method. Now, right. What I want to do here is I want to make my overridden method as public. Now, in my overriding method, I'm getting an error. Did you observe that? Did you observe that? Why? Why I'm getting an error? Why I'm getting an error? Right, guys, kindly please listen to my statement. Please listen to my statement correctly. Please listen to my statement correctly. So some people are saying that, sir, here access modifiers are not same. But guys, I never told in my definition access modifiers should be same. Did I told like that? Did I told like that? No. No, I did not told like, okay, for example, let me make this as default, and here I'm making this as public. Now also access modifiers are different, but am I getting any error? No, I'm not getting any error. Then why if I write public, and if I make this as a default, then why I am getting an error? Because, guys, listen, very important point. Overriding method, let me try to write like this. Overriding method should not be more restrictive than the overridden method. Overriding method. Overriding method means parent class method or child class method. Parent class method or child class method. Overriding method means child class method should not be more restrictive than the overridden method, means parent class method. Okay, guys, now I'm going to take your help. Whenever I discussed about access modifiers concept, I gave you a hierarchy. Did you remember that? Like I told you what is the most restricted access modifier, and I gave you a small hierarchy, and I told you that, guys, I'm going to ask this when I'm dealing with method overriding concept. I told you this. Did you remember that? Where is it? On which date we had covered that point? 3rd March. On 3rd March only we have covered that. Yeah, I think on 3rd March only. I think on 3rd March only I had covered that particular point. No. Yes. Yes. On 3rd March, I gave you that program also. Yes. I told you that. I told you a hierarchy. Can you please tell me that hierarchy? Like what is the most restricted access modifier? Private. After that, default. After that, protected. After that, public. Yes. Did you remember this, guys? Did you remember this? Now, what I'm trying to say is, if in the parent class, if the parent class method is declared as default, if the parent class method is declared as default, we cannot declare child class method as exactly private. We cannot declare like that. Why? Because private is more restrictive than the default. Am I right or wrong? This is very crucial role. Sir, can we declare, can we declare protected? Can we declare protected? Yes, protected, protected, fine. Can we declare public? Fine, no problem. Why? Because parent class method is default. So we can have either default or protected or public in the child class, but we cannot have private. For example, guys, in my parent class, if I declared as protected, what are my options in my child class? How many options I'm having? Tell me. How many options I'm having? What are those? What are those? One or two? Guys, why some people are saying only one? For example, if this is protected protected, in the child class, I can have protected, and I can have public also. No problem. Guys, yes or no? Yeah, tell me. Protected and public. Right? For example, in my parent class, if I'm having public, then how many options I'm having? Exactly. Now you got it, guys. Now you got it. If I'm having public, public, only public, I cannot have protected, protected. No. Why? Because protected is more restricted than the public. So I cannot have. Datta, is it clear? Datta, is it clear? Right. Okay. Oh, I'll be having only option that is public. Now tell me, in my parent class, if I'm having private, what are my options? All the four. Very good. Very good. I can have all the four options. Nice. Nice. Can you inherit a private method? Can you inherit a private method? Can you override a private method? So why you're saying all the four options? Did you understand the tricky question, guys? If you're trying to declare this as private, basically we cannot override private methods, guys. We cannot override. See, that is what I said this. Please observe here. If we can't inherit a method, we can't override that method. Example, which methods? Which methods? Private methods. We Cannot override private methods. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Yes, that is good. That is good. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. For example, my next question is, guys, can I override if two methods are having different return types? Can I override if two methods are having different return types? Very good. I'm impressed with your answer, guys. Okay, if I'm trying to have int here, and please observe here, return return 10, return 10 like this. Okay, return 10. Obviously, I'll be getting an error here. Why? Because this is not method overriding. Same method name, same parameters, same return type should be there. Am I right or wrong? No. Now, guys, please listen to my question correctly. Can we override a method if we are having different return types? The answer is yes. Sir, what you are saying? Just now you said no. Hang on, guys, hang on. Guys, please observe here. Did you remember what are our options for giving the return types? How many options are there? Did you remember? Can you please tell me what are those? Can you please tell me what are those? We can have void. We can have void. We can have 8 primitive data types. We can have classes and we can have objects. I told you, right? Now, what is this, guys? It is a primitive data type. Am I right or wrong? Primitive data type. Okay. Now, what I want to do, you know, instead of primitive data type, I'll be using a class. I'll be using a class. Did you remember this keyword? I can use this to return the instance of the class. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now, here also, if I want to perform method overriding, which class name I need to write? Come on, tell me. Which class name? Exactly. Class A like this. Same method name, same parameters, same return type, Okay. And here return return this. Return this. Okay. Return this. Let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. And I'm getting my output like this. I'm getting my output like this. Class B method called. Class B method. Okay. So here overriding is happening. Sir, but you said that different return types. Yes, I'm coming there. Instead of class A, I'm giving class B. Am I getting any error? No, I'm not getting any error. Let us execute. Right click, run as Java application. Is method overriding happened? Is method overriding happened or not? Yes, it got happened. Return type same or different? Is return type same or different? These are different return types. Are these primitive data types? No. These are what? What are these? Classes. Am I right? Now, guys, these are known as covariant return types. What are those? Covariant return types. Okay. In covariant return type, guys, covariant return types means these return types will not be applicable for primitive data types. How many primitive data types are there? How many primitive data types are there? 8 primitive data types are there, right? Exactly. I'm not speaking about primitive data types. These are covariant return types. Covariant return types applicable to classes, not for primitive data types. Okay. So in covariant return types, just let me try to, okay. In covariant return types, we can achieve method overriding. We can achieve method overriding even though there are what? Even though there are exactly different return types. Even though there are different return types. This is applicable only for covariant return types. Please don't forget that. This particular point is only for covariant data types. Covariant data types means classes, simply classes. I'm not speaking about primitive data types, just classes. As simple as this. Now, let me just get it back. I'm making this as, okay, guys, do me a favor. I'll just keep it like this. I mean, this is class B. Okay. I mean, class A. Covariant data types. Let me keep it like this. Okay. Now I'm trying to have one more method. Okay. Void method 2. And here system.out.println. I'm having high. Now I want to override this method in class B. Okay. I'm trying to override this method in class B. This is method 2. And here system.out.println, I'm writing hello, hello. Hello. Okay. Now simply aobj dot method 2. What is my output right now? What is my output here? Hi or hello? Very good, guys. Very good. I'll be getting my output as hello. Okay. Now my question is, can I overload a static method with a non-static method? Can I override? My mistake. I'm not speaking about overloading. Overriding. Sorry, my mistake. Can I override? A static method with a non-static method? Overloading, we can do that. Like yesterday, we have already seen that. Overloading, we can do that. I'm speaking about overriding. Okay, let us check. Guys, please observe here. I'm making this as static. Answer my question. Can I override a static method with a non-static method? No. Okay. So let me make it as static. S-T-A-T-I-C. Static. Now, can I override? Okay. Right now, what is my expected output here? What is my expected output? Come on. Right. We are expecting our output to be hello, but we will be getting our output as high. Why? Because static methods can't be overridden. We cannot override static methods. We can't override static methods. It may seem like you are overriding, but no, that is actually method hiding. We can't override static methods. As simple as this. As simple as this. So now answer my question, guys. Can we overload static methods? Can we overload static methods? Yes. Can we overload private methods? Private methods. Overload. Listen to the question correctly. Yes. Can we override static methods? No. Can we override private methods? No. Can we override constructor? Constructor. Let us check. Let us check, guys. Please observe here. Give me a constructor here. Yes, Krishna. Exactly. Now, guys, please tell me. Give me an example for a constructor here. Okay. Just let me go with like class A. This is a default constructor. System.out.println class A, DFAULT default CONS TRUCT or default constructor. Okay. Now I want to achieve method overriding for this constructor. Point number 1. Guys, constructors participate in inheritance? Will constructors participate in inheritance? Yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday only I told you. No. Constructors will not be participating in inheritance. So, can we override? No, I already told you. If we can't inherit, we can't override. Anyways, let us check here. Okay, guys, tell me one thing. For example, if I want to override a constructor, tell me what I need to write here. Tell me what I need to write here. Class A. Okay, same name. Class name, same parameters. If I write like this, 100% I will be getting an error. Why I will be getting an error? This is constructor in class A. In class B, this is not a constructor. What is the name of a constructor in class B, guys? Exactly. It will be class B. Am I right or wrong? So, different names. Different names means that is literally not polymorphism. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Is it clear? So, constructor overloading is possible, but overriding is not possible. I told this point at the time of constructors. Did you remember that? Constructor overriding is not possible. Guys, did you remember that point? Like at the time of constructors, I gave you this. Yes? Yes. That is very good. That is literally very good, guys. Yeah, last point in constructor. Right. Now, guys, if I ask you to say the difference between overloading and overriding, can you say? Difference between overloading and overriding. Okay, do me a favor. First write this program for me, please. First write this program. Go ahead. Class A. Go ahead. Please write it. Okay, Ganesh, what do you mean by class level? What do you mean by class level? Please be precise in your question, please. Guys, class A complete for everyone? Oh. Okay. Please be fast, be fast, be fast. Wait for it. Shrikant, wait for it, wait for it. You will be understanding the importance of overriding whenever we are dealing with abstraction. Please wait for it. Upendra, we have covered this concept in our this keyword. Did you remember that? Did you attend that class? This keyword class, did you attend that? I told you this keyword is used to, is used in 4 ways. I told you 4 ways. Used to resolve the ambiguity between local variables and instance variables. Used to call the present class methods. Yes? Nobody, you should not be attending late. It is used to return the instance. Right now we are returning the instance of the class. Okay? Right. Class B. Guys, class B. Kamlesh, covariant return types means nothing but instead of using primitive data types, we'll be using class names. That's it. Okay. Chandraman, that is perfect. That is perfect. And guys, again, I'm saying you every day I'll try to upload a question on my Instagram page. Please try to answer that question, guys. Don't leave that. Answer it. Don't look and leave. Please try to answer that. Please answer. If I give a program, try to write that program in your Eclipse and paste that program in the comment so that others are also will be seeing that, right? Please make that happen, guys. Please make that happen. Anand, any book is okay, Anand. Any book is fine. Trust me when I say this. Okay, there is literally, when I see a book, I'll understand each and every concept. Any book is good, actually. Okay, some people are asking Instagram ID. This is the ID, guys. Pranitha, you can check this. And H, who is H? I don't know. Right? Please. Yeah, I will. All right, guys. I hope it's complete, guys, for everyone. Is it done? Is it done? One more minute. Just one more minute. Just one more minute. Please check with Naresh IT website. What do you mean? Achudan and Mukul, I did not understand that. Sir, can you adjust 3 and 5th means? What do you mean by that? Mukul. Acha, acha, acha. You want to? Okay. I'm sorry. I think, okay. Now it's okay, Mukul? Now it's fine? Yes. Please. I'm sorry. I did not check that. I'm going with your chats. Please go with frameworks also. Please go with frameworks also, okay? Java, in the sense, a lot of things will be covered. Core Java, advanced Java, frameworks, UI technologies, a lot of things will be there. So which one you are good in, you should be telling me that, not simply like Java. Like, are you good in core Java, advanced Java, frameworks, UI technologies, like that? Did you, okay. Did you complete core Java? No, it's going on. Okay, anyways, I'll speak later. All right. So guys, I hope it's completed, guys, for everyone. Now, please check these differences. Just read them. Just read them. Upendra, not completed. Okay, hang on. Please. Carry on. Please carry on. Done? Okay. Now, guys, please do me a favor. Just read these differences. I don't want you to write. I'll be uploading this in our Google Classroom. Just read them, please. Right. Is it clear, guys? Right. All right, guys. That is great. So, guys, I'll be trying to upload all these our slides in our Google Classroom. Kindly please go through them once for me, guys. Okay. Please go through them. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. So thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue with our OOPS concepts on our Monday's class, guys. Okay. And have a fantastic weekend. Have a fantastic weekend. And please go through the concepts which we had covered up to now. Okay. Please. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening.